Alright, I'm gonna run by back and forth. You guys try to shoot me. This seems like such a good idea. I bet these bitches can't hit me. It's like being fucking missile that. Oh fuck! Oh! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Fuck! Oh! In my dick! I'm so hot! Oh! It burned a hole in my dick! What? Oh!
Did I hit you in the neck?
You'd get me in the nuts. What the fuck?
You wanted us to do this.
These things burn so much hotter than I thought. You did. I'm covering up more. Why did I not bring jeans? Oh, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Dude. Oh shit! Oh, my ass! Fuck! Fuck! Oh! Oh fuck! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! To my chin! One of them got my ass good. Ah! Ah! Is my ass? Is my ass burnt?
Yeah.
This was such a bad idea.
You just kind of burned. Right. Move your head. Oh no! Not the helmet.
Oh, dude, that sucked though. That right there, that sucked.
All right, then.
Fireworks are dangerous, dude. You guys think it's funny to shoot fucking fireworks at me, huh? I see no way that this can go wrong. That seems solid. Shit. For America! You fucking come here. This battleships. Oh, dude. Thank God my bike's not on fire. It might. Oh my God. Dude, that is like. If this isn't the best idea I've ever had in my life, Matt ain't ready for this. Matt went to go get his helmet. He doesn't know that I put another one on the fucking bike. Oh yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Whew. Come get some, bitch! Holy shit! Dude, they're like hitting him! I'm out of ammo! I'm out of goddamn ammo! He's got a dual sport! This is totally unfair! What am I, Shih-Chi surgeon? Oh shit, no, no, no. No, 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 no! Don't you do it! Oh shit! Yes! So much yes! Dude, it was this close to you. Dude, it was like seriously pinging off your helmet. It was like right up on you. Motherfucker! Oh. Shit! Now we need to go back and get John to get his jacket so he can joust. Yeah, can you rip that off for me? Give a garbage. Pick up your garbage. Remember to always pick up your used fireworks when you're done, kids. And we're doing goddamn jousting. There can only be one Highlander. Oh, I can't see shit. Got him. I feel like I got him like right in the dick. You cannot win at jousting with Dan. Dan is the professional jouster. Come on. Shit. Shit. Oh, fuck, he has two. Shit. I was like, he has two. What did you do? Shit. Yeah, smart. Use the lighter to show me where the wick is. Thanks. Stop it.
Get on the back.
Yes. He'll never see this coming. He's never gonna see this shit. Oh, lean away, Eileen, goddammit.
Pressing your body.
Yeah, crest it. Dude, he's gonna get so fucked. We're good. Light. Oh, shit. Shoot. Shoot him. Hit him in the face. Hit him. Oh, shit. Where'd the fire? Did you get him?
Yes, I got him.
Boom. Oh, shit.
Do it with Dan.
Oh.
Oh, do it with Dan.
Oh shit! That bitch fell over.
How do you do it?
Get closer. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't these things fly everywhere?
I don't know.
Hopefully not. Would have been a great time to do.
We all said, oh shit! And dude, like, I was like I was so under fire, I couldn't move. I was like, I'm not making that move. That damn broke my pinky knuckle.